Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Here we have the Volvo V60. It's on a 23 place, as you can see. I'm going to show you the outside of the vehicle first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. We'll have a look down the driver's side of the vehicle first of all, and then we are going to move on to the tailgate area next. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the button on the key or the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll then see that we have got plenty of boot space available. You can increase this space should you wish to or need to by folding down those rear seats as well. Just briefly before we climb into the car, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We have a digital readout for the speedometer. On the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the center, you can see at the bottom the fuel gauge, for example, the trip computer next to it, the satellite navigation information being displayed in the center, which you can change. You can also bring up your trip computer info, including the total miles for this car, which are only 16,966. That is all done with the buttons just here. We have our cruise control. Into the center, the main touchscreen, there's this physical button which will bring you back to this menu. From there you can swipe to the right and left within each one of these panels. So you've got your Bluetooth audio there, for example. You can press play with whatever music you've got selected. We've got Apple CarPlay available and Android Auto. You can pair your phone from that section. You can tap on any one of these sections to open up the full menu. So in the case of what I've just tapped there, Google Maps, as you can see, you can do the same with your audio, your phone, and a vehicle status menu at the bottom. At the very bottom, we have our fan speed you can adjust, the direction of the air, the temperature, of course, for the driver and the passenger. You can turn your air conditioning on, which I've just done. Same button will turn it off again. You can put the system into auto just there. And at the very bottom, we have a heated driver's seat with 3 heat settings, and the same for the passenger side. You'll see there's a camera icon. If we pop the vehicle into reverse, you've got your full color reversing camera to go along with the parking sensors on this car. Main volume for your stereo, a few physical stereo controls as well. If we open this section, we've got a 12-volt charging socket. This section, wireless phone charging and 2 cup holders. And then an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function. This is where you switch the car off, which is what I've just done, and back on again. And then lastly, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox with a button for park. Last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the car. In the envelope, firstly, is the spare key, so 2 keys in total. We have the V5 registration document, of course, showing it's a one-owner car from new, and the service handbook. We'd be more than happy to run through the service records with you in person or on a live video call.